You want to remove any one of video on your playlist? This tutorial only for you, so keep watch this video till the end. For that, log into your YouTube account first and go to the right side corner and click the channel icon and select the third option, YouTube Studio. Go to content and move the cursor to the video, which video you want to edit, and select the pencil icon to edit the video and scroll below. You see here the playlist section and select the arrow mark to see the details of the playlist. Now this video is selected in one of the playlist, so untick this playlist and click done, and must click the save, because without saving this option is not working. This is the first method. For the second method, select the playlist, the third option, and select the playlist, which playlist video you want to delete by clicking the pencil icon, the edit option, and select the video, which video you want to delete, and move the cursor to the three dot and click the three dot and select the remove from YouTube tutorials by Annie Campus, the fourth option. Now that video was deleted from the playlist. You can use which method is easy for you, first or second.
I think this video is very helpful to you. So don't forget to like this video and share this video to new YouTubers, and subscribe the channel now to get more help from me, and comment below what are the topics you want to know.